All right, well, I have the tracker set up on standby here. I'm getting ready to use it, and I will in a second. But before I use the tracker, what I like to do is check the connection on the common wire. On a conventional system, that common wire travels to every single valve in the field out there. And if there's a problem with it, we could experience electrical readings at the controller that are weird or jumping around. And when I was testing the ohms across all of these terminals here, I was getting weird readings that were jumping up and down. That told me that there was a bad wire connection somewhere, and given that we have this master valve box right here, the first place I'm going to check is that common wire. Once I replaced or repaired that common wire, cut it and redid it, I got good electrical readings across a lot of those terminals up there, except for the 4 or 5 that I actually need to track in the field. Before I did all this, I was getting crazy readings across all of the terminals on that controller. So the lesson to be learned here is check your common wire connection. That could be the whole problem, but in this case, it's not.